Hello and good morning all of you. Today we will start the exercise 10.4 of this chapter time. Okay. So in the previous video I have shown you how to add and subtract the hours and minutes. So today we'll do the exercise question number 1, add the following. So A number, let's start. So in this A number it is given 7 hours 44 minutes plus 6 hours 6 minutes. So we will add normally 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, 1 in hand, 1 plus 4 5, so it is 50 minutes, and here hours, 7 plus 6 is 13, so the answer is 13 hours 50 minutes. Okay, this is a very simple addition. Now question number B, 8 hours 27 minutes and 5 hours 48 minutes. So right here minutes, 7 plus 8 is 15, in hand 1, 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 7, 75, and here hours, 8 plus 5 13. Now you can see this minute is more than 75. That means what you have to do, you have to minus 60 from here. Okay, because it should not be more than 60. So here you will minus by 60 minutes. Okay, here you minus, and here what you will do, here one more hour will be added plus 1 hour. Okay, so this was the rule I had told you. So here 5, 7 minus 6 1, so 15 minutes, and here hours, 13 plus 1 14. So the final answer is 14 hours for 15 minutes. Okay, in this way you have to do. Okay, so this A number and B number I have shown you. Now C and D are your homework. Now subtract the following. Okay, now see this subtraction. So here it ends 3 hours 26 minutes from 8 hours 11 minutes. That means from written, that means this will be in the top. From this you have to subtract this number. Here in this question you can see that 8 hours 11 minutes minus 3 hours 26 minutes. So first of all, right here minutes, 11 minus 26, it is not possible. So what you do, the technique is what, you have to add what, here you will add with 60. Okay, this 11 minutes you will add with 60. So you can add it separately. So 8 hours and 11 minutes, here you have to add 60 with this minute, because what I told you, you have to borrow from this hour. 1 hour you have to borrow. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So here you have to add 60, and when you borrow something, then it is less, 1 less, then 1 hour is less. That means you have to minus it by 1 hour. So here it is 1, it is 7, 71. Okay, then it is 8 minus 1, 7 hour. Now you will subtract with this number. Okay, now here 7 hours 71 minutes. Now write this number, 3 hours 26 minutes. Okay, now subtract this minutes, 11 minus 6 5, then here it is 6 minus 2 4, 45 minutes, and hours is what, 7 minus 3 4 hours. So this is the final answer. So in this way you have to follow this. When the top number is less than the bottom number, then you have to add with this whole number, you have to add 60 with the minute, because you are borrowing 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes, that's why 60 minutes you have to add, and here 1 hour less, that means 1 you have to minus. Then after that, by this number you have to minus this number. Okay, now 2 number B, 3 hours 45 minutes from 5 hours. So here no minutes given. Okay, so if minutes is not given, that means you will assume the minute as 0 minutes. Okay, now see here, 5 hours 00 minutes 3 hours 45 minutes. That means this is smaller number, so you have to add 60 minutes here and 1 hour minus here. So 5 hours 00 minutes, so plus 60 here, and here minus 1 hour. Then it is what, 60 minutes, and here 4 minus 1, 4 hours. Okay, now subtract with this 4 hours 60 minutes, this 3 hours 45 minutes. So it is 60 minus 45 is 15 minutes, and 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 hour. So this is the final answer. Understood? So this A and B I have done. So C and D is your homework. So here 3 number question, fill in the missing entries. So a table given where the time is given, starting time and ending time. So here duration, that means you have to write here what is the duration. Duration means you have to minus it, 4:15 p.m. minus 12:25 p.m. After you minus it, subtract it, then you will get the answer here. Okay, so it is 4 hours 15 minutes p.m. and 12 hours 25 minutes p.m. Both are in p.m. So to find the duration of this timing, what you do, first of all, convert this 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock timing. So it is 4 hours 15 minutes p.m. p.m. means after 12 o'clock. That means by after we convert it, then it will become 15 hours. Okay, and 12:25 will be what, 12:25 hours. Okay, after converting like this, now you have to subtract this and this timings. But how can you subtract this? This is a 24-hour clock timing. To subtract it, it is 15, this is 15 minutes and 25 minutes. So you cannot subtract it. So what you have to do, again same thing, you have to add here 60, and this hour you have to minus 1 from here. So you do this 16 hour 15 minutes, that add 60 here and minus 1 hour here. So it is 75 and it is 1575 hours. Now when you minus it, 1575 hours, 12:25 hours, then it is coming as 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 5 minus 2, 3, and 1 minus 1, 0. So 0, 3, 5, 50 hours. Now when you convert in hour and minute, then what is the answer? 3 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, so this is 3 hours 50 minutes. In this way you have to find the duration. So when you add this timing with this timing, then you will get 6:15 p.m. okay, after calculation. And to find the starting time, you will minus this with this, then you will get the start timing is 10:35 a.m. and to find the end timing, this plus this again, so it will be 2 p.m. okay. Now we'll go to next page. So here you can see in the next page, it is solve the following, all the word problems are given. So in this word problem, the train was to leave at 9:15 p.m. So timing of train is 9:15. So it left 1 hour 45 minutes late. Okay, after 1 hour 45 minutes, train left. Then what was the time? Okay, so you have to see the timing, at what time the train left. So we will what, this plus this. Okay. See, the question was time of train to leave, it was 9:15 p.m. but the train was late by 1 hour 45 minutes late. So we'll add these two timing, then we'll get the real time when the train left. The 9:15 p.m. you can write like this, 9 hours 15 minutes we can write like this. So you will add this 1 hour 45 minutes with this. So when you add this, it is coming 60 minutes, so and 10 hours. So 10 hours 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to what? 1 hour. So you can add 1 hour with 10. That means it will become 11 hours. So 11 hours and the train will left. That means the time was that train left at 11 p.m. Okay, understood? So all the remaining questions you try by yourself. Okay, in the next video I will solve all these questions. Okay, and these also. Thank you.